Welcome to Preschool Summer Reading, Color Our World for July 21st, 2025, Part 1. The Crayons Love Our Planet by Drew Daywalt, illustrated by Oliver Jeffers. Our planet has blue oceans. Those were super hard to color in. Our planet has green trees. Yay, trees! I did those. And wheat. I did the wheat. Our planet has white ice caps. And wheat! There's no wheat up on the ice caps beige. Our planet has brown soil. It's under everything, you know. See that wheat growing from the dirt? I did that. Our planet has fruit. My favorites are apples, strawberries, and cherries. I love bananas. Don't forget oranges. And wheat. Wheat is totally fruit. No, it's not. Our planet has animals. Check out these leopards and cheetahs. Lions, too. Don't forget wheat. I'm pretty sure wheat's an animal. Yeah, no. Our planet has rivers. Those are mine, too. Wheat likes to swim and go canoeing in rivers. What in the world? And a big, beautiful sky. Needs more wheat. Our planet has all of us too, in many shapes, colors, and sizes. And it's our job to keep the planet safe. You got that right. The end. We're going to make a 3D foam tree. And the Craft to Go kit is this little kit from Oriental Trading. And all you need is the kit. So I took it out of the bag. We've got 2 dark purple flowers. We've got 1 light purple set of flowers. We've got a nice thick tree there with little branches. You gotta pop these out. So I'm gonna pop those out now. You've got the base to make it stand up. You have to pop out the center. So there's a slot. These will go together at the end. And you've got a self-stick tree. Leaves. Sorry. Now there's directions that come with it. But basically all you do is you stick the green leaves onto the tree. And then you stick the light and dark purple flowers however you want on the tree. If there's not enough room for all of them, you can just keep them for other crafts. So the first thing I'm going to do is stick my leaves on the tree. And you just got to peel the back off. That aside. Line it up as best you can. Maybe that's upside down. I don't know. Yeah, I think that way is better. Stick it on. Smooth it out. Then we're going to pop out all these little flowers. You can stick them on as you pop them out. And you can put them on any way you like to. Peeling these backs is easier if you have nails, which I do not. So I'm going to put a light one on, dark one on. And they can overlap if you want. That one peeled off, that's nice. So I'm just going to keep doing this until it's done, and then I'll come back and show you, and then we'll put the base on. Okay, I put the flowers on the tree, and it seems like it's pretty full. I still have extra dark purple especially, but I have 1 light purple extra. I'm just going to save those for other crafts. And the last thing we do is we slot this in here So it overlaps and then it'll stand up. And that's your 3D tree. There it is. And that's all there is to it.